Here's a awesome product for roof. Get on this side. It's a new construction. Well, it was an old house, but we ended up basically gutting it all inside. And instead of using felt paper, this is synthetic. Look how thin it is. And the big plus, we're in Texas, southeast. It is fucking hot. The black tar paper reflects the heat, which can easily get up to 165 degrees. But right here, it is 12 noon roughly. Look at my hand, straight up. It's almost 12 noon. It's got to be 105. And this is not even hot. Nothing at all. Big difference. A lot easier to carry, work with. It's about 50. We pay 50. God, how much I pay? $51, and it covers 10 squares. $53, I think, covers 10 squares. But it doesn't have that oily surface that the felt paper does. I guess that's why they call it Felt Buster. And you can walk right on it. I mean, it is such a nice product. Super thin, and you cannot slip, or you will not slip. We're going to end up covering the whole house and end up doing a metal roof to match that and his barn over there. But this is a great product. It's a synthetic fiber of some type, and do not use anything other. Don't use a framing gun, sighting gun, any type of gun. It's got to have the old-fashioned plastic caps or staples with plastic, because you use a gun, you're just going to pop a hole right through it. Great product, Felt Buster, GAF. Lunchtime. All right, guys, I'm out. Peace.